welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. I'm traveling through the Strip in a comped limo, and I'm checking out all the sights. My final destination is Caesar's Palace. This week, I'll be staying in the Augustus Tower top floor.
Welcome, Mr. Good Life.
From the porte cochere to inside the new entrance with the full-size statue of Caesar himself. I'm ready to check in and see my room. Let's start with this well-appointed bathroom. That's a full-size jacuzzi tub. Let's check out this bedroom. The Bellagio fountain show is one of the nicest perks of this room. Let's get back inside. Nice little dining area. Spacious couch. A standard safe inside the closet. Plenty of adult beverages. Tito's and Captain Morgan are two of my favorites. And in case of emergency, you can always grab a drink or a snack right inside the room. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you'll get immediate notifications when I release a new video.